In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get started on Bill.com. To begin, you will go to the Bill.com sign-up page. On screen, open your preferred web browser and type Bill.com into the address bar. Then look for the option that takes you to the sign-up area. This is the starting point where you can set up your workspace so you can begin using Bill.com for billing and payment workflows. Once you are on the sign-up page or homepage, the next step is to click the Get Started or Sign Up button. This button is usually located in the top right corner of the page. Take a moment to check that you are clicking the correct button, since some pages may include other links for logging in or learning more. The goal here is to start the registration process, so you should select the button that clearly mentions getting started or signing up. You will need to enter your business name and other required contact information. Be sure you type the information accurately and in the format the form requests. If the page provides fields for a contact name and email address, enter those carefully so your account setup can be linked to your organization correctly. You may notice that some fields are labeled as required, so follow those first. Now that you have opened the form, you will input your business information as requested. This part usually includes details such as industry, company size, and your billing address. Spend a moment reviewing each field before entering anything. Industry helps the platform tailor certain parts of the setup. Company size can also influence how Bill.com presents options and recommendations. The billing address is important because it may be used for account verification and official records. As you fill in these details, it is helpful to double-check spelling and formatting. Look at drop-down menus if the form offers them, and select the options that match your business. For any address fields, confirm that the street, city, and postal code are entered correctly. If you have multiple address lines, enter them in the appropriate order. This is a small step, but it prevents delays later during the account creation process. When you have entered everything the form asks for, you will click Get Started to proceed. This is typically the button at the bottom of the registration form. Before you click, review the information one more time to ensure there are no missing required fields. Once you confirm by clicking Get Started, the system will process your registration and move you into the next stage of setup. After you click Get Started, you will be ready to navigate your dashboard. This is where Bill.com organizes your account and the tools you need to start working. Take a moment to look at the main navigation area on the dashboard. You will likely see sections that relate to billing, payments, and other business tasks. If the dashboard includes any introductory prompts or setup messages, follow those carefully because they often guide you through getting your account ready. Now that you have access to your dashboard, you are past the initial setup steps and into the part where you can start using Bill.com for your day-to-day workflows. The most important thing is that your business information is already on file and your account is active, so everything you do next will be connected to the correct organization. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.